This video I'll be talking about the top 3 stocks to invest in 2021 of February. A financial advisor. My videos are only for education and entertainment purposes, so please do your research before consulting my video. Please feel free to subscribe to me if you want to see more videos like this, and also you feel free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so my videos go out to a large audience so more people can learn about investing. First stock we're going to talk about in this video is called TDOC Health, ticker symbol TDOC. It is currently up 0.10% on the day, on 8% from its highs, and on the year it is currently up. It's currently up 150%. TDOC Health is a telemedicine company. It means is they provide healthcare virtually. So TDOC Health, you just need to go on the app and there'll be a health assistant, someone to help you out according to your needs, because some people will work really hard, their 9-to-5 job, they don't have time to go to the doctor. So TDOC Health provides a virtual healthcare which benefits people who are super busy. They had a 163% year-over-year growth for their visitors throughout 2020 to September 30. They've gone revenues from 396,000 to 710,000, which is nearly double. September 30, 2020, they have 3,449,000 and 385 million in assets, around 200,000 in current liabilities, so they have more than enough assets to cover that. 187,299 in cash, so that is enough to pay off their current liabilities, so that's a good thing. They're not going into debt anytime soon. That's a good thing. And yeah, we're just going to look at their cash flow statement. So looking at the cash flow statement, it's looking pretty healthy. From 2019 to 2020, September 30, went from 79,000 to 91,000. So TDOC Health has $248.86, which is down 5.77% from their current price. As their price target, we have a high of 305 and a low of 206. Look at what some analysts think. So they have 2 hold ratings and 3 buys, so that's a good thing. There are no sell ratings. Currently has one of the biggest holdings of TDOC Health. So we can see from their ARC-G, which is their genomic ETF, they have around 3,244,837 shares at a weight of 7.78%. In their ARC-W ETF, the generation internet one, they have around 1,091,465 shares, which is 4.17% weight, and this is their second holding. I'm not telling you guys to invest in this company because of ARK Invest. I'm just giving you guys a bit of more confidence on this company, so please do your research. Healthcare is way more efficient, actually, because you have access to where you don't have to go to the doctors to get your healthcare. It's going to do well in 5 to 10 years time when telemedicine is going to explode. That's just my opinion. So if I had $1,000 to invest in this company, I would average down. So tomorrow when the market opens, I would buy straight away. I'll put my first $250 on that. Then on the next day, if it drops to 260, I'll put my next $250 on that. If it drops to 257, I'll put my next $250 on that. And if the next week it drops to even 250, I'll put my next $250 on that. Around my price target for this could be around $500, and my low price target, if everything goes bad, my lowest price target would be $150. The next stock we're going to talk about is called ENPH Energy. Does is they design and sell electrical energy solutions such as solar panel, 466% on the year, which is really good. I think this company is going to do well because people will go into the EV sector, so which means they will need some energy solutions, and people will get electrical vehicles. They would obviously need a charger in their home, and ENPH can install that for them. So they have installed over 30 million microinverters on more than 1.3 million homes. So that's really good. That shows that there's a lot of demand for their product. 2019 September 30, they went from 414,000 to 509,000 in 2020 September 30. That is some good growth. Over their balance sheet, the total assets as of 2020, they have roughly $1 million $340. Liabilities is around $676,000. This is good because their assets are greater than their liability. Their price target, so they have a price target of $206.22. That's really good actually. Our rating 7 buy and 2 hold. This here, so they have 3 buy and 2 hold. That is good because there are no sells here. Also, I do think this company is going to do long term according to analysts, but I do not like to depend on these price targets and analysts. I think do not base your decision on these analysts. So just do your research, and if you do your research, you believe in the company, invest in this company. Not financial advice, by the way. Down around, I think it's 12% from its highs, so right now would be a great time to invest in this company. My price targets for this would be around my high price target for this would be around $300. So my low price target for this, if EV crashes, would be around 120. I believe in their fundamentals, but then invest in this company. Do not base your decision on my analysis. So if you had $1,000, put $250 on this stock tomorrow, and then next day if it drops to 180, push your next $250, and the next day if it drops to 178, put your next $250 on that. It drops to 170, then put your last $250 on that, because we're going to average down, we're going to bite the lows and ride it up to its highs. So that's what we do around here. I do think you guys should get this stock before their earnings, because I do think this stock's going to go up when they report their earnings. That's just my opinion. The last stock on the list is called SKLZ. What it does is they operate a esports platform for mobile games, so they host for esports competitions. So these are just a couple partnered with Play Mechanics to bring mobile competition to this first person shooter game called Big Buck Hunter. I do think this is good for the company. If this game is played by tons of mobile gamers, and they are into the competition of this game, I do think this is going to be increasing their revenues by a lot. So we're just going to quickly look through the assets. So as of September 30, they have current assets of 86,000. This is 40,000. So they have more than enough assets to cover their liability. 56,000 in cash, which that's a lot of cash actually. That's enough to pay off their long-term debt. So they don't have any long-term debt. Their cash flow is looking so super healthy as well. They had cash flow of 78,000 from 14,000 in 2019, so that's good. We're just going to quickly look at their price targets. So they have an average price target of $29. They have an average price target of $29.80. More confidence in this company, I'll go out to ARK Invest, their ARKW ETF. So the ETF has around 1,263 shares and 959, which is 0.5%. This is 0.5% weight, so that is good. So they're currently 1.01% down on a day. They're around 7% down on the week, 176% on the year, which is pretty good. So that dip could be just a consolidation from going up that high, so I wouldn't be too worried about it. I would average down. So if I had $1,000, I'd put my first $250 on this tomorrow when the market opens, no matter the price. Then the next day if it drops to $25, I put my next $250, and then the next day if it drops to $25 or no, to $24, then I put my next $250. Then I wait till next week, and if it drops to around $23, it might not even drop that low, but if it does, put your last $250 on that. Not financial advice, because we've got to be ready for the dip. We cannot expect that it's going to go up all the way. We've got to expect a dip, so we buy the dip. So we don't miss out on these buying opportunities. So be prepared. Price targets for this could easily be $50. If the esports industry does go bad, I do think the stock is going to go down to $20, below $20. So that's my low price target. So that's it for this video. Those were my top 3 stocks for February. I do think these stocks are all going to double in the long term. So if you guys believe in these companies, feel free to invest in them. This is not financial advice. Please feel free to subscribe to me if you guys want to see more videos like this. Free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm, so my videos go out to a larger audience, so more people can learn about investing. Have a wonderful day, and see you guys in the next one.